Hello everyone, this is mychinabazaar.com have come to the steel factory.
Then we also deal in print steel, pre-painted stainless steel, laminated steel, writing board steel, coated steel, printed steel, pearl luster.
Hello everyone, this is mychinabazaar.com have come to the steel factory. In our other videos we have shown you the steel factory. This is a fully automatized steel factory. You get to see this is the whole interior over here. It's a very vast factory and it is a in-house production of the factory. You get to see it's a very vast factory and the fully automatized. We are having like this. You get to see these are samples of the laminated steel. These are laminated steel. You get to see these are steel which can be used in a various purpose. These are laminated steel, very properly well laminated steel. We have got few of the vinyl coated steel also, the VCM, the PCM, pre-painted steel. These are vinyl coated steels. Over here these are the galvanized steels. You get to see it is being used in various purpose. These are generally done in the very most automatized system. So we are having few samples of this very good quality steels. This factory is working with India. This company have a BIS certificate for importing this to India. So we are working with the company itself. So we are looking for the business partners, the business associated, the new entrepreneurs, mainly the steel factory owners, the steel factory personals and steel factory managers. You can contact mychinabazaar.com. We will provide you the very good quality of steel, laminated steel, galvanized steel. For this purpose, we will be taking care of the production unit. Once you submit us the specifications, we will provide you the quotations. After we provide the quotations, we will work with the production team so that the production can be done in a very stipulated time. Mainly it's mentioning the stipulated time because generally people faces lot of delay when you are having a telephonic conversation with these companies. We are presently over here in China. I have been in China for last 14 years. This is Shamik myself. These are very good quality steels. You get to see very good quality steels you get to see and very good laminations. They guarantee these laminated steels can be used for a lot of purposes. These are wooden finish you get to see a lot of various designs. These designs and every specification is on your part. We will be taking care with the production team that it is done in a very proper way, and after that we will be helping you for the shipment part. We have our own logistic partner over here. So mychinabazaar.com always welcomes people to contact mychinabazaar.com so that we can provide you a very good quality steel. These steels are of very good quality. The guarantees that there will be no blistering after a few days or taking off of just shooting off. That doesn't take place. So mychinabazaar.com welcomes all the business partners, the steel factory owners, the steel factory personals and managers to contact mychinabazaar. These are very good quality steel. These are basically the galvanized steel. You get to see the galvanized steel, and these are the laminated steel you get to see. It is used for various purposes. The board steel also, we will be just having it a sample of the board steel which is used in the whiteboards which you get to see. This is a magnetized ring property and can be used for a long time. For the durability it is being used. This factory have been our business partner for a long time. We are working with this company for a long time so that we can provide you the best products. So our business partners and our steel factory owners and steel factory managers, you can contact mychinabazaar.com for this good quality steel production. Thank you.
The types of steel that mychinabazaar.com can source for you are galvanized steel, which includes hot-dip galvanized, galvanized, and electro-galvanized steel. PCM or pre-coated metal steel. VCM or vinyl-coated metal steel. Pre-painted galvanized steel or PPGI and pre-painted galvalume steel or PBGL. Then we also deal in print steel, pre-painted stainless steel, laminated steel, writing board steel, coated steel, printed steel, pearl luster steel, wrinkled or textured steel and matte steel. If you have any other requirement, kindly contact us. We will source that special kind of steel for you.